work did. I'm not drunk. I just had my busiest work day, so that's why I'm slurring my speech. I sell comic books for a living, so Wednesdays are like these are the days I work the hardest.
And drink the most.
And drink the most of Bang Candy Crisp Apple.
That was mine.
Natural. Yeah, you left it in the fridge like for 3 weeks. That means it is free game.
That's not what that means. That means I'm saving it for when the mood hits.
I asked you if it was okay, and you said yes. Was it a lie?
Yes. That is a radio?
He's a DJ.
Radio thing right here. Gods don't know about it.
I wasn't even paying attention to what he was saying.
It's just a friendly bird out on the town with swords taped to its legs.
Ooh. Sorry, buddy. That felt wrong on so many levels.
No, that was the correct move. Those birds have frickin' swords taped to their legs.
Okay, right. Am I stuck down here now?
Yeah, just go this way.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay. I just wasn't sure.
There's like one of those grace points like right around here.
I'm sorry. Oh my God. Hello. You do have swords on your legs. I thought he was just being dramatic.
Sure wasn't.
I don't care for that at all.
Thank you for dying with Delta.
It's fine. Oh, they're hugging now. Each death gets sadder. Alright. Apologies. Sorry. Oops, I didn't mean to interrupt your embrace.
Did you want to pillage the corpse while you're desecrating their love?
Yeah, I didn't know they dropped anything.
Got a flight pinion.
What the fuck is that? Why do I remember this?
You watched me play through all this.
Huh.
I mean, it was like February when the game came
I don't.
out,
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now he's extra dead.
Yep. No, I wish I remembered. February. No.
I'll tell you what. I will give you a slight clue.
Yeah.
In that door you just opened.
Mm-hmm.
As they're saying in the chat, the key for that door to the floor below you is in this room.
Okay. Got it. You guys should have warned me. I dislike everything about this! Thank you so fucking much! Gimme, gimme, gimme! Ah! Ah, ha, 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 ha. I got it. Goodbye. Peace. Oh, okay. I thought there was nothing down here. Alright, where do I go from here? Down here?
No, it's that door that you couldn't unlock earlier.
Oh, yeah, yep. Well, if I go back up here, is he going to be up there?
Potentially.
I hear him clanking around up there.
Yeah.
Also, I can't read chat right now. Oh, I see him. Is that him? Is that him?
Yes.
Oh, this is like a horror game now. See,
Poor dude was just sitting down vibing.
Doesn't that look like the knight, though? He wouldn't just be standing there. That would make no sense, but... No! Leave me alone. I'm not good with this, Okay. So I don't want to fall down there.
You can jump. What
No,
was that look
really?
for?
I know I can jump.
You couldn't, you so like I got messed up a couple times because You used to not be able to jump in these games.
I don't like that. Like, he's getting...
You're going right back to where he's at, though.
Can he jump?
Probably.
That's bullshit.
I guess July was still weeks ago.
He can jump! He can jump!
Shoot him with magic.
Ah! Ah! Okay, and we're back down here again. Sorry for screaming. I can't help it. Like, I literally cannot stop the sounds from coming out of my mouth. About to outsmart this man.
I think you want to... I think you want to jump over there.
No, I want to kill this guy.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
No, literally. Oh, I'm out of mana! Oh, he pissed. He angry man. Where did he... Can he get me from here? I don't even know. Where is he at?
I don't know.
I hear him, but I don't see him, and that's the worst part of all of this. Where you at?
Why is it always where I'm at and never how
that
I'm
him?
at? Yes, that's him.
Okay.
No, that's the other big black knight with the giant shield.
Fuck you. Yes, come up the ladder. I'll be waiting. Also, I don't have chat on my phone, so I'm letting Jeff read everything to me. It's all on you now.
It's all on me.
Yep, if someone says something.
You need to get that second monitor.
I did it.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Anime. Ah! Sorry, I keep yelling. I'm not... Oh my gosh, that bonfire!
Oh.
I'm just gonna address my Hello Kitty and move on with my life.
It was like... The amount you fell was the best part, because it just,
Was it?
like... It just kept going and going and going.
There ain't no bird. Don't you be lying to me.
Ferocious says, bird. I hate birds. And I'm assuming in a Harrison Ford voice.
Why?
Because snakes, I hate snakes.
Oh. From what? What are you looking at me like that for? Is that a movie reference? From what movie?
What is it?
What movie?
What is one of the two most famous characters that Harrison Ford played? What's the one that doesn't like snakes?
Just tell me.
I'm like mentally unplanning to buy an engagement ring as this conversation.
Okay. Wow.
I'm kidding.
No, you can't take that back.
It's Indiana Jones.
Why does Indiana Jones hate snakes? Like, I thought...
Oh my goodness, we got like movie watching to do.
No, I've seen those movies. I don't remember him hating snakes.
That's like one of the main themes of those movies. What are you talking about?
Okay, apparently I like blacked out for a whole movie then because I don't remember. I remember him like...
What? Okay, what do you remember about Indiana Jones? Describe Indiana Jones to me.
No, I just remember the boulder. I
Okay.
remember him running away from the boulder.
Yep, that's in the first 2 minutes
And
of the first movie.
Not liking boulders.
He never mentions anything about boulders. There's never like a scene where he's like, boulders, I hate boulders. And you go in like those rooms. I think there's a guy you can talk to
In here?
Mm-hmm.
If there's a boss in here, I'm gonna be real upset
Look,
with you.
see that's that no fighty symbols up now.
I hear someone coming though.
Yeah, they're not gonna come in here though.
Okay. You say so. Hi.
Ah, nice to meet
I
you.
like your hat.
The pleasure's mine.
Excuse me, I just need to get good distance between us. Oh god, you're really fast. Hi. Ah! Oh, that's not stairs. I'm gonna go in this room. You can't kill me in here. What the fuck? You lied to me. Ugh.
I thought so because you can't attack in
Yeah,
that
I
room.
can't do shit, but apparently fucking giant shield McGee
I
over
assumed
here
it
can-
would just kind of like block him out of there.
Nope, apparently not. He is just here now. Is that... Where do I go from here?
So you go see where all those thingies are piled up.
Yeah.
The like sacks of flour. You jump. Nope.
You said jump! You said jump!
I bet on the ledge.
You just said jump. I jumped. I don't like it here. It's difficult and I'm having trouble. Like, more trouble than I've ever had in this game before.
We can come back here.
I don't...
You don't have to do all this right now.